In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create a pop-up in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, adding a pop-up to your Webflow project can enhance user interaction and make your site more dynamic. Follow along as I take you step by step through the process. First, head over to webflow.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the All Sites link. Click on it to see a list of all the projects you've been working on. This is where you'll choose the specific site where you'd like to add your pop-up. After you've clicked on All Sites, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the site you want to work on by clicking on its name. This will open up the designer mode for that particular project, allowing you to make the necessary changes and add new features like a pop-up. Now that you're in the designer view, it's time to select the element you want to trigger the pop-up. This could be anything from a button to an image, whatever makes sense for your site's design and user flow. Click on the element to highlight it. This is an important step because the pop-up will be linked to this specific element. So choose wisely based on how you want users to interact with your site. With the element selected, look to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Interactions tab. Click on Interactions, which will open up a menu of options and settings for creating dynamic interactions. This is where the magic happens, and you get to decide how and when the pop-up will appear. In the Interactions panel, you'll need to choose a trigger for your pop-up. Click on Select Trigger and choose Click. This means that the pop-up will appear when a user clicks on the element you selected earlier. This is a commonly used trigger because it's intuitive for users. They click and something happens. Once you've selected Click as your trigger, it's time to decide what action will occur. In this case, we want a pop-up to appear, so go ahead and select Pop In from the list of actions. Webflow offers a variety of animations and transitions, and Pop In is a great choice for a smooth and engaging user experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a pop-up to your Webflow project. Test it out by previewing your site to ensure everything works as expected. Pop-ups can be a powerful tool for capturing attention, sharing important information, or collecting user data, so use them wisely and creatively. This quick guide has shown you how to create a pop-up in Webflow, enhancing your website's interactivity. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.